Hello everybody, it's Davey the computer guy here today, and you have caught me in the middle of another project. A project that I should have started filming before I actually started doing it. If you may have already known this, but I do have this four-way Cambridge Soundworks speakers, the big bass amp down there, and they're constantly falling off my desk. So today I'm finally going to set them up in their intended purpose and mount them on the wall. So there's the one that's one of the rear ones, and this is the other rear one. So my plan is to get it up there, and then we will do some upgrades to my older computer down there so that I can use it as a media computer, because I don't actually have any slots in there for the sound card I want to use. So yeah, let's get started. So I know people are going to have a fit about my cable management, but I actually think it's not too bad, considering that cables, like, we're renting this house, so I can't actually like drill a hole in the wall and route the cable that way. So I think that's a pretty good trade-off. Now, I'm also not allowed to put screws in the wall, so I'm using command strips to do this. So just put this on the back of here, of which you can probably not see, but I am putting command strips on here. And then I will hop up here and mount it. So I just gotta peel these command strip things off of the back here, and yeah, hang on. There we go. And then I just simply line it up to the best of my abilities. I'm just going to eyeball it here. And on. Hold it there for a couple seconds. Keep it secure. And there we go. There's a little bit of wiggle room to it. Cobwebs. But I don't think it'll be that big of a deal, especially because one's higher than the other one. Dang it. I guess it'll be okay because I'm out of command strips, so I can't really do anything about that, don't I? I might have to go to the store and get some more command strips. But then I'm just going to route this cable back behind here and plug it into my amp. Now that's that for that portion. I'm also going to hopefully tack down the others to my desk so that they stay on my desk, and along with the controller, and then we will worry about hooking up the PC. As you can see, I have this little media controller here, and this is what controls the volume. Turn it on, turn it off. But it is constantly sliding off the back of my desk. So using one of these command strips and a tripod so that I don't have to hold the camera, we are going to mount that little thing to the desk, like such. Peel that off the back, plop that on there like that, apply some pressure so it stays, then peel this off the back and make sure I get it right where I want it. Okie dokie, now that thing's not going anywhere, which is exactly what I wanted. Alright, let's get some of these command strip tabs cleaned up, and I will get the PC that needs upgraded to up on the desk. Okay, so here is the PC. This is a Dell Dimension 9100, and first things first, I have it upside down, so let's just flip it over. And we're actually going to be installing 2 sound cards in here, and I'll tell you why. One of the 2 sound cards is going to be used for the actual speakers, and the other one is going to be used for a game port, because I use this for retro gaming as well. And I don't have a game port on the back, so the first one, the one that's going to drive our speakers, is a Sound Blaster Audigy card. It's a newer one from early 2000s. So yeah, that's going to pop in here. We'll just open the PCI bracket. I'm going to just move you down here so you can see what's going on. And we're going to pop it in this PCI slot right here. So I need to remove that. And with luck, there we go. It's popped into place. Now I'm out of PCI slots for the other card, which is a Creative Lab Sound Blaster CT4810. So here's that card. See, it has the game port on it. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to remove this dial-up modem down here, because I no longer have my dial-up setup that I was working on, so no longer have any need for that card. The Ethernet network card will be staying now, of course. So we're just going to pop this in here. And yeah, now we will go do drivers. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, I should turn the display on. That's the wrong display. There we go. So once this boots up, it is booting, which is good because sometimes it doesn't boot when you put new cards in. We will give the speakers a test and we'll see how they sound. Be right back. Okay, so we are up and running, but unfortunately we need some drivers. So I'm just going to stick this in here, and we are going to install them. Yes, open. So first we're going to start with, well, let's copy them over to the hard drive first. Oh, okay. So the Sound Blaster Audigy thing is starting. Okay, we have the, yes, English. Okay, that was fast. Apparently I downloaded the wrong driver. Okay, I will come back to that one. Let's get this one running real quick. We will extract it. And then run it. We're going to self-extract again. This is for the other CT4810 card with the game port. So yeah. Yes, we agree. Next. Okay, here we have a registration program. We don't want to register. Do not remind me to register. There we go. I will restart my PC later. Alright. 1 sec. Okay, one driver change later, and we are installing. We're almost done. This driver actually comes with all the tuning tools to change sounds. I'm hoping to use this as my media PC so I can play movies and other such in it. So yeah. And at some point we're going to attempt to do Blu-ray on Windows XP, which would probably not work, but it's worth a shot, right? And this is just a really cool device, I think. I've wanted to have a sound card in my main system, but the only PCI slot I have available is too close to my graphics card, and then my graphics card overheats. So yeah, we are going to restart, maybe. Unless it's going to do it for me. And there's sound. So let me just remove my thumb drive before it has a fit about that. And I'll be back once this is done because this will probably take a while. Here we go. Maybe. There we go. It's definitely working. I did install some music on here, so we can do that. No, I don't want to do Found New Wizard. Okay. Not Found New Wizard. Found New Hardware Wizard. Okay, let's see here. If we ever get booted up completely. No, Steam, not now. We'll go into music, and just to avoid copyright strikes, we will be using some Mario Kart music, because I have Mario Kart music, and it's copyright free, so yeah. Okay, let's do this. We'll do the best one. Or at least I think it's the best one. Maybe, if it decides to start. This old computer's running a Pentium D, so it's kind of slow. Thinking about it. Nope, it changed its mind. There we go. Media player's thinking about it. It's loading. Very slowly. Very slowly. Oh yeah, because it has the updated media player, and I will check that in just a minute. Oh, it is it? Where is it already in use? There we go. Awesome, we are getting sound out of this thing. Let's find all those settings that it installed and see if we can mess with the EAX a little bit. Hang on a minute. Oh, you can set it to... You can make it sound different, like if you're in a different room. Like right now it's set to the garage. see that it gets different when you turn that off. Well, that's kind of cool. Alright, let's see what else we got. Speaker settings. No, I don't have 5.1 or 6.1. I have 4 or 4.1. There we go. You can mess with the bass a bit. Let's zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. I find this very interesting. That's really cool. Well, anyway, I think that's that. That was a success. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.